Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how does TikTok work. So when you open TikTok on your device, it starts with the For You page. This is a feed of videos chosen by the TikTok's algorithm based on what you usually watch, like, comment, or share. The more you interact with the video, the smarter it gets. So that means if you watch a full video, that tells TikTok that you liked it. But if you skip fast, TikTok learns that you're not into that type of content. When you search for something or tap on hashtag or sound, TikTok notices that also. And you will start seeing more of that kind of stuff. Creators upload videos by tapping the plus button at the bottom center of your screen. They can add music, effects, filters, and text to their videos. Most content is short form, usually under a minute. Usually it's 15 seconds. Also, popular videos tend to use trending sounds, visual hooks in the first 3 seconds of the video, and clear storytelling or humor. Also, engagement like comments, likes, and shares helps push videos to more people. TikTok also has a following feed, a following tab, where you can see videos only from creators that you follow. So at the top you see here following. So here will be the videos only from creators that you follow. But most people just stay on the For You page because it mixes everything up. So that's basically how TikTok works. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.